Did you know that promoting healthy nerves can have a significant impact on your quality of life? Find out how to keep your nerves in top condition and improve your overall health, from sleep to digestion. Learn about eating habits, exercise, and supplements that can help promote healthy nerves and increase your sense of well-being. Get to know NeuroPure. NeuroPure promotes healthy blood sugar by providing 5 vital bioavailable fruit, flower, and peel extracts with essential vitamin and mineral support. NeuroPure promotes healthy nerves by providing 5 vital bioavailable extracts of fruits, flowers, and bark with essential vitamin and mineral support. Each ingredient is supported by peer-reviewed research and studies that prove the effectiveness of NeuroPure ingredients. And if you want to know more about NeuroPure, I will leave the link of the official website in the description of this video so you can answer all your questions. Maintain a balanced diet. A balanced diet is important for maintaining nerve health. Make sure to include nutrient-rich foods like B vitamins, magnesium, and omega-3 in your diet. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise helps increase blood circulation, which can help keep nerves healthy. Get enough sleep. Sleep deprivation can negatively affect the health of the nerves. Try to sleep at least 7 to 8 hours a night to ensure that your body has enough time to recover. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can negatively affect nerve health. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, or breathing exercises. Avoid alcohol and drugs. Excessive consumption of alcohol and drugs can negatively affect the health of the nerves. Beware of medications. Some medications can affect nerve health. Be sure to read the information about side effects of any medications you are taking. Maintain good posture. Maintaining good posture can help prevent nerve damage, especially to the spine. Avoid repeated movements. Repetitive movements can cause nerve damage. If you work in an activity that involves repetitive movements, take regular breaks and practice stretching exercises. Wear protection when playing sports. Wear appropriate protective equipment to prevent nerve damage when playing sports. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight can put pressure on the nerves. Maintain a healthy weight to help prevent nerve damage. Quit smoking. Smoking can negatively affect nerve health. Maintain good hygiene. Maintaining good hygiene, such as washing your hands regularly, can help prevent infections that can affect the nerves. Do regular checkups. Doing regular checkups with your doctor can help detect health problems early, including nervous problems. Maintain good mental health. Mental health can affect nerve health. Be sure to take care of your mental health and seek help if needed. Be cautious when using power tools. Improper use of power tools can cause nerve damage. Make sure you use these tools carefully and follow the appropriate safety instructions.